The 2024 Weslaco Softball State Championship team come together yet again, this time for a premiere of a new documentary highlighting their remarkable achievement.
I'm really excited to see everyone again and to see this because we've been waiting a long time for it.
Unbelievable!
The documentary, titled 321 Miles to a Miracle, produced by KWES, draws family and even media attention. All, including little ones, take a turn posing in front of a movie poster prior to the show. All anxious and wondering what it's going to be like.
I really don't know. I just want to see.
It's going to bring back a lot of memories, no?
Yes, like a lot of stuff like we probably already forgot, and just to relive it again, it's going to be good.
How about sights, sounds, and in-depth interviews, taking the viewer on a journey, chasing history, players giving their perspective. Clearly, everyone enjoyed the screening.
It was awesome. Just like it happened in real life, that's exactly how y'all portrayed it in the documentary, so it was good.
The big wow factor, the whole Grand Slam and how we all celebrated, seeing the parade too play out, seeing all the little girls there, seeing the emotion and the audience, it was amazing.
Players stuck around for pictures, signed some posters. It is their story, one that everyone, including young children, will get a chance to enjoy and take in. Dream, just like these players did.
I hope they take not only the don't give up part, but they got to see the work that we put in to get there. So I hope they take that in and know that it just doesn't come, that you have to put in that hard work.
For KWES TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.